Hi again. Now, this is for everybody who wants to do a bit of extra work or hasn't had enough of listening to me in those videos, which of course I hope it's all of you. Only a joke. Anyway, I have here a few more recipes for you. So, sweet chili chicken, banana split, you may all know that. A typical Irish or maybe English recipe, cod cobbler. Then here I have this for people that really like cooking and like to watch videos of recipes, people cooking them and talking. So this is a great way of developing your listening skills. There are four different videos I put down for you. People are all speaking differently in pace. Some of them speak very fast, so they are difficult to understand. They have different accents. Some of them are very strong English accents, which even for me is difficult to understand. But of course you can watch those videos 3, 4, 5 times, and every time you will understand a little more. But some of them are quite difficult. So up to it's just a few more recipes. Chinese vegetables. One is about the cookie. She makes not rich tea cookies. Sorry, what are they called? The Scottish ones. I forgot the name now. Sorry for this. The biscuits, the shortcake biscuits, yeah. And there is a fish, and then I can't remember what the last one is. But anyway, it's for you to watch and to listen. Here, typical Irish, of course, steak and Guinness pie. Guinness cake, which is also typical Irish. And last but not least Irish, of course, the Irish stew. I'm not going to read these recipes for you. I let them read them yourself. If you have questions about abbreviations, words, pronunciation, please ask me in the Zoom session if you have time. Of course, for example, this TBSP, it stands for tablespoon. If the B would be missing and it's only TSP, it would mean teaspoon. I'm sure there are quite a few vocabularies in there that you may not understand. Don't forget, you have the online dictionary to check. Here, for example, PN. I actually never saw that myself, but of course it means a pinch. A pinch, you pinch with your two fingers, either the thumb and the index finger or the thumb and the middle finger, and you just take a little bit, a pinch. Okay? Now, let's talk about the writing task for this week. Of course, you guessed right. I want you to write a recipe. And of course, I would like you to pick something from your own country and maybe your favorite dish from your own country and write the recipe for me. If you don't really want to write the recipe or you don't have any recipe you can think of, what you can do is you can pick one of those dishes that I sent you the recipe for and try and cook it or bake it. And then tell me how it went. Did it come out nice? Did everybody love it? Did you mix up the sugar with the salt and you got something really disgusting from it? Just write a paragraph or two for me how your cooking or baking experience was. Now, that's all for this week. Have a lovely week, and I'm looking forward to get all the nice work from you. Thank you. Bye-bye.